Hello, I'm Nakri, your digital host. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our premium soft and hard milling wheat collection, sourced from the world's most renowned grain belts in Ukraine, Bulgaria, Romania, and Canada. Our soft milling wheat boasts a low protein content and fine texture, perfect for delicate cakes, biscuits, and pastries. And our hard milling wheat delivers robust gluten strength ideal for artisanal bread, pasta, and high-protein flours. Each variety meets rigorous international food safety standards, offering protein levels from 11.5% to 12.5%. Moisture max 14%. Hagberg full numbers of 250 to 260. Custom specs on request. With flexible sourcing, reliable year-round supply, and competitive pricing, Solina Group is your partner for premium milling wheat. Click the link to explore full specifications and get your personalized quote today. Thanks for watching and happy baking.